welcome back to another video. So for this video I wanted to share with you a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I know this is like too much color all at once, but I just thought it was fun to pair pink with red. I never done that combo before, and I just think it looks so cool, and like, I don't know, I liked it. I don't have any crazy plans for Valentine's Day. I think we're just gonna stay home, eat. There's not much we can really do. And if your plans are doing the same thing, just do your makeup like you will do if you were gonna go out, and just rock your day, because you deserve it, your partner deserves it, and it's a fun excuse to get pretty. So yeah, I hope you have a awesome Valentine's Day. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna film another video before Valentine's Day comes up, and you're gonna see my face again, Valentine's. But I hope you get inspired. Make sure to be subscribed to this channel for more content. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram so you can see everything that I'm doing down there. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look right here, just keep watching this video.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love